itu 1935 mereka produksi beberapa, salah satunya itu kayak KitKat, Polo, permen Polo, terus ada juga kayak After Eight, itu coklat After Eight, terus beberapa Smarties juga produknya mereka. Jadi awal mula dari si George-nya itu. Oke? Nanti aku jelasin lagi sampai berikutnya. Halo, selamat pagi dari York. Hari ini hari ketiga kita di York. Terus hari ini tuh tanggal 31 Oktober 2019.
Today we're going home.
We're going home, ya. Hari ini hari terakhir kita pulang hari ini, ya benar?
But first we're going to the chocolate factory and also the merry-go-round.
Hari ini kita mau ke Chocolate Factory yang ada di York. Terus sama mau main merry-go-round. Halo, kita lagi di jalan Sambli kan? Halo, selamat pagi dari York. Hari ini hari terakhir kita di York. Nama ini jalan Shambles. Shambles, ini jalan Shambles. Bangunannya bangunan tua gitu. Ikutin ya, hari ini kita mau kemana aja. See you. Kita mau masuk ke York Chocolate Story. Ini gedungnya. Jadi sudah siap sama Basian. Kita masuk yuk. Antriannya panjang, tapi begitu masuk di dalam gedungnya di coklat itu udah kerasa bau banget coklatnya. Aku liatin antriannya ya. Ini masih pagi, jadi belum terlalu ramai antriannya. Tiketnya awas mas ya. Yang dewasa itu adult 12,95. Under 4 itu free, sebastian bayar karena udah 4 tahun lebih. Kita Oke, thank you very much. Hari ini kita lagi mau main merry-go-round tuh. Oke, karena tadi mau masuk ke Chocolate Factory-nya itu baru bisa masuk jam 1. Ya, ini pasar tradisional di York. Pasar tradisional. Kita lihat yuk ada apa aja. Ada ikan, ada daging-dagingan. Tradisional pasar. Ada
Santa Rosa.
Kafe, restoran di sini di York. Tuh bangunan Tudor juga. Di sini kafenya unik-unik. Ada yang kafe dari castle, bekas dulu kastil gitu dijadiin kafe. Ini namanya Shambles Market. Tuh, lumayan besar produk-produknya. Kafenya, nah ini ada, aku mau nunjukin kafe penyihir. Di sini lucu-lucu deh, kayak berasa Harry Potter area gitu. Tuh dia kafenya. Mau masuk, ini tuh toko yang jual tradisional makanan-makanan dari Yorkshire gitu, dari York. Tuh ada Yorkshire bread. Tuh banyak deh beberapa. Coklat ini lumayan, ini ada penghargaan. Ternyata kalau di top floor itu nggak boleh ngambil video. Terima kasih. Oke, terima kasih atas pemberitahuannya, Mr. McDermotts.
And turn off your iPhone.
Oke.
Over here. Kit Kat, very good. Sin as well. Arrow, lovely. Down here. Your favourite chocolate bar? Just a Mars bar. That's caramels of Azarias. This is 100% chocolate. If you like your bars bitter and dark, you're gonna love this. If not, now kids, this is very strong. Would you like to give this a try? Right, are we sure there, sir? We are certain. We are 100% sure, not a shred of doubt. We are sure, yes? What I recommend, because it is very bitter, it's great to cook with. It's fantastic in cakes and brownies, goes very well with chili, very good in wine and whiskey, that you know for a fact. I know so you know today. But very, very healthy for you. Very, very bitter. Again, if you like your sport like I don't, and I'm told it's good after the gym, of course we won't know for certain, I don't really do much sport, more history based, but there we are. Very coarse and rough. Now we have the switch from hours to days because we're a Swiss man called Rudolf Lindt. Yes, we are familiar of course with Rudolf Lindt. Add the sugar there, sir. Press the button. Now Mr. Lindt was a fantastic chocolatier, but also very forgetful. Now the legend is he went away for the weekend, leaving that machine on. When he came back on the Monday, he came up to the smoothest chocolate he tried. Because the sugar had ground down for so long, it made it far silkier and smoother. So now it mixes for 3 to 4 days as standard. Thank you there, Josh. Keep on mixing there. There we are. Lovely, lovely. Add the milk, you're on the safe side. Now to be clear, that bottle's a lie. We'll never use liquid milk, it won't mix correctly, like oil and water. We have to use a dry powder milk. I want to temporarily mould our bar. So, madam, hello, what's your name, Dennis? Maya, hold the hand down for me, Maya, push it down. And stop, let go. Ooh, actually, hang on, never mind. Beautiful sheet. Oh, delicious, isn't it? Now, it's not me just talking to the kids, and that's to show you it's been tempered. Now, tempering, if you look behind, you can see that machine whizzing round and press. Usually, you don't last this long, that's very good. So now what we're going to do, we're going to listen to it. Put your ear on through, we're going to snap it. 1, 2, 3.
Does it smell nice?
Yeah, of course it does so, because this is fresh. It's made about half an hour ago. And the fresher chocolate is, the better it's going to be. Now then, I see some of us made a head start, but we just follow it carefully. We're going to taste it. Take a chunk, nothing too big or too small. Pop it in your mouth. Yep, close your mouth, but don't chew. Hold your nose. It's not a joke, this is incredibly important. Hold your nose, do not let it go until I explicitly state so. If you let go of your nose, it will simply not work. Obviously, do still breathe through your mouth.
Story of KitKat. Kalau story of KitKat nih, asal mula dari coklatnya KitKat ya. Tuh. Ini zaman dulu banget ini. Ini koleksi tuh zaman dulu. Tuh, tahun yang pertama itu tahun 1935 KitKatnya. Terus 1937, 41 KitKatnya model begini. 49, 63, dan yang terakhir itu 99.
Do you know what KitKat is, Mommy?
Iya, ini sayang, asal mula KitKat. Ini yang paling baru KitKatnya 2018 modelnya begini. Ini tuh dari Rowntree company. Father of Modern Marketing. Jadi tuh dia Rowntree ini tuh perusahaan itu dari yang buat gas parties. Kalau After 8, yang tahu After 8 juga di sini Polo, ada Black Magic. Nah, ini buatannya dari perusahaannya mereka ini. Tuh, aku kasih tahu ya, ada creator. Jadi tahun 1930, namanya George Harris. Nah, ini dia si George Harrisnya. Ini George Harris. Ini awal mulanya nih. Nah, ini KitKat ini ada di beberapa negara ya. Awalnya mulanya itu dari York sini. Jadi from York to the world. Nih, negara-negara yang ada KitKat, produksi KitKatnya. Ada di Jepang tuh juga, Swiss, Amerika udah pasti, di Jerman juga ada. Negara global domination. Jadi KitKat pertama kali KitKat ini diproduksi itu tahun 1935 ya. Ini model-model KitKatnya nih dari beberapa negara. Kalau dilihat, nah ini tuh beberapa produk mereka ya, dari yang tahun 1935 gitu tuh dia. Beberapa produk. Ini kakao, ini pohon coklat ya, biji coklat. Coklat. Sayang ngapain?
Sini.
We're making chocolate, but we have to wait.
Oh, making coklat.
Once you wish your name, flip your bag over so it's name sign. The other chocolatiers, so keep the spoons
Kita
to the
mau buat
bowls,
coklat,
don't mix
jadi
them up.
masing-masing ada
Use the
nama.
spoons on your hands. I don't put spoons in mouths, noses, ears, or anywhere else for very obvious reasons. Don't patronise you, just let people surprise you, and it's always adults that do it, so we've got to check just in case. Now, lastly, just I think.
Pegang sticknya dulu, mau bikin coklat.
Now, for Simon now, get Simon some chocolate lollipops.
Lollipop. Don't put it in your mouth.
Tuh, kita mau buat coklat di lollipop.
I personally wouldn't understand this. Trying to make them too big, otherwise I won't find what's in your bag. That'll do just fine there, chaps. That'll do just fine. Do a gentle rustle as it spreads out. Nothing too major.
Lollipops.
Lollipop coklat. Bahasa lollipop coklat.
Leave it.
Shimmy to start with.
Terus kita disuruh dekorasi
What are those?
lollipop coklatnya, terserah.
Mami?
Nah, Sebastian, aku mau itu aja sedikit ya. Ya cukup sayang. Bastian mau apa lagi dekorasinya? Bastian mau yang itu,
What are those?
coklat hitam.
You want some?
Aku nggak mau itu sayang.
It's got eyes.
Just be patient, Sebastian.
I'm making a man.
Jadinya dekorasi nih.
What are you doing?
Dekorasi coklat.
I'm making a man.
Yeah.
Sekarang kita menuju ke production kitchen.
Yeah, good thing.
Good stuff. As long as you can see that big tanky chocolate in the mirror,
Yeah.
that is the main
Bisa
bit.
lihat.
Wow, look at all that chocolate, Sebastian.
Like after this one.
Oh, coklatnya.
Probably is about,
Mama,
So ada beberapa nama udah ditulis.
See, as I say, guys, big tanky chocolate in the mirror. As long as you can all see that.
Dan itu kami.
Eggs. It doesn't last too long for chocolate. It only lasts 2 weeks. I'm sure you managed to get it gone within 2 weeks, though. So big tank of chocolate here in the mirror above me. Inside here, we have what we call milk chocolate covered sugar. So we've got cocoa butter, cocoa solids, milk powder, and sugar, and we don't count calories here. All the good stuff, don't you worry about that. So that's the tank there. Firstly though, I'm going to be using this here, a polycarbonate mould. I'm going to add lots and lots of chocolate to this. If you're looking at mirror above, here we go.
Oh.
Okay, and spread that all the way down and fill in all the gaps there. And I'll just wipe off the excess there we're not going to be using. In just a second, I'll give this a quick tap on the side. Any air bubbles trapped in there will pop right to the top. We want that shell to be nice and strong. We don't want holes in there weakening it. So here we go, then a quick tap. Okay, and if I wanted fully solid chocolate into the fridge, job done. Want to be a bit more fancy today though, guys. Want to create what we call chocolate rain.
Oh.
And that helps us create that shell shape. Best kind of rain that, guys. and a bit of a tidy up, bit less mess, bit less waste. And I'll just pop this mould upside down on the mat here now and allow that to set, and that'll be there about 15 minutes. It'll just set nice and even, that shell, with it being that way around to set. Here's one that obviously has fully set. Here you can get in there and affect that shelf life. All the ones that you will eat today though, they'll be about 20 to 40 minutes old. So don't panic, you see a hole in one of them, absolutely fine. So straight into the fridge with that. And luckily for us, it is a Blue Peter fridge. Here's what we made slightly earlier. And they're all for you guys. So a good old flex to loosen them up and a good old tap on the counter. Oh, hang on. Tell you what, you know what guys? Got the wrong mould here. Oopsie daisy, reload that one. Don't panic. I'll get one happy that actually works. So yeah, obviously that's not meant to happen. So I'll pop that into the fridge and allow that to set a little while longer. Luckily though, it is a Blue Peter fridge. Here's what we made slightly earlier. So a good old flex and a good old tap. Wow. So guys, these are all for you. Have we got a brave volunteer to try one of our Halloween
Kita puas dengan turnya. Excellent. Number 10. Jadi kita udah selesai turnya, dan ini tuh di shopnya paling bawah. Beberapa coklat yang mereka jual. Jadi di ruangan yang pertama itu kita dikasih lihat film dokumenter itu tentang bagaimana cocoa tree itu, jadi pohon coklat itu dari awalnya tuh dari Meksiko, terus dibawa ke perairan Karibian, ke Spanyol, sampai akhirnya nyampe di York ini. Terus kita dari situ, dari room yang pertama, room kedua itu kita dibawa ke mengenal Rowntree, perusahaan Rowntree ini. Awal mulanya Rowntree ini berdiri. Jadi ada beberapa produk buatan mereka dari tahun 1935 mereka, kalau nggak salah ya, berarti ya 19, nanti aku koreksi kalau salah. Terus itu 1935 mereka produksi beberapa, salah satunya tuh kayak KitKat, Polo, permen Polo, terus ada juga kayak After Eight, itu coklat After Eight, terus beberapa Smarties juga produknya mereka. Jadi awal mula dari si George-nya itu. Oke. Terima kasih buat teman-teman yang sudah menonton. Jangan lupa di like, komen, dan subscribe. Dan sampai ketemu di petualangan berikutnya. Lots of love from the McDermotts. Bye!